Guys, okay, so I wonder if any of you knew that they actually do glass blowing outside of Joburg in Muldersdrift. Well, we're going to show you how and where.
Oh, you do it with one?
Yeah, it's crocheting.
Oh, wow.
A beautiful wire art. I'm selling it in Ngwenya, and I'm selling these fairies for this one. It's 300. Smaller ones and big ones is 600.
We built out a camper van, a Boxer, 2004, to go traveling through South Africa.
Yeah, alles daar zo. Kom laat even mee kom.
I'm an artist and Graham still works part-time, so we travel when we can. We've had the most amazing trip so far, local and further out.
Subscribe to see more.
These little baby snails, and that's 70 Rand. Little birds, too beautiful. Artwork is stunning. 300 for the fairies. Yeah, the small ones.
This is the mama with the bambino.
Beautiful on a swing. Look at that.
This little baby on a swing as well.
Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh, yeah. But that's beautiful work. I love your work. So we'll let people know. Look at this one flying.
Wind it.
They're beautiful. Beautiful work. I really think your work is stunning. It's a pleasure. Look at these beautiful rocking chairs. They might even sell. It's going to another market tomorrow. Stunning rings. Teddy bear.
Okay, I'm Martina from MSP Handarbeiten and the Farm Shack at Ngwenya Glass Village. And I'm just going to show you how to crochet a nice cozy warm blanket.
Perfect. How you do it with one?
Yeah, it's crocheting.
Oh wow, I can't crochet.
Oh, it's easy, I can teach you. I mean, the whole thing came about, somebody actually challenged me to make a blanket out of
Oh
that
wow,
thing.
and look at the colours, are divine.
And
So how big are the blankets sort of?
the blankets are going to be about 150 wide and then 180, 2 meters, 3 meters, depends on what
And the
somebody would
price?
like. The price is about from 1500 Rand upwards.
Wonderful, sure. This is stunning. Wow, absolutely love the colours. I'm an artist, that's why I appreciate this kind of thing.
It's different patterns. I mean, the other thing I do is, I do a lot of blankets, is the
Yes.
Tunisian crochet, which is, if I can show you.
Yeah.
Let me finish this one.
Okay, so this, what's this called?
That's Tunisian crochet.
Oh,
And
wow.
they are actually,
that's beautiful.
that's a huge blanket.
Yes. And they look very warm, these,
Yeah,
eh?
that is pure cotton. I mean, that is synthetic.
Yes.
Unspun yarn, because
Yes.
unfortunately in South Africa you don't get unspun
Yeah,
sheep wool, or I can't find it.
okay.
This is pure cotton, and they're actually made by row. You can.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to make one? A long time.
Okay, let me put it this way. This was a 5-year project.
Okay, but
Sort
it's
of
worth
on
it. Do you
off.
ever get it? 5 years
No,
worth
it's
of work.
sort of a half a year nothing.
Yes.
Because I was busy with other stuff. And,
Okay. And then those ones, how long do
those
they
ones,
take?
They, if you put your mind to it, about 2 weeks.
Okay. And do you sell the wool or do you just...
I sell the wool as well, yes.
Okay.
But I keep most of it because they take a lot of yarn.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, in that big one there is about 35 balls of wool. in
Wow.
here.
Okay. But gee, it looks so comfy. You just want to wrap yourself in it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
No, and guys, don't forget to come by next Sunday. We have got market day with all possible stalls, from nice food stalls to other craft stalls and sauces, and see you then.
Okay, do you have them once a month?
Once a month. The market is every first Sunday of the month.
Okay, perfect. That will help people to know. Please visit. It's gorgeous here. So,
Sold out already.
but yeah, this is there is load shedding, so I haven't got lights. But there looks like beautiful scarves here. These scarves, yeah.
Yep, scarves. Sort of little. Oops.
Oh, is it for the
What you put
head?
in.
What
No,
is it? Oh,
the
for
head,
here.
So you put it in.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
on the front, or then just the.
Oh, look at the
The short
colors.
one.
Oh, beautiful
Right
colors.
here we've got a lot of fingerless gloves. That is
Yes.
all.
Oh, the big rage. I love those.
Yeah, that's all wool.
Yes.
It's not synthetic,
Yeah.
for a change. And
How much do those go for?
they go from the small 155 to
Not
the
bad.
large 175 Rand. A
Okay.
pair.
Yeah.
Pair.
Fantastic.
Not lifting.
And then our embroidery
Yes.
is all hand embroidery.
Oh, wow.
Not done by machine.
Yes. So someone actually does it.
Yeah. Yeah, I do it, and a couple of my friends,
Wow. Fantastic,
and
fantastic.
all these things.
And the paper art?
The paper art is also handmade.
Beautiful.
It's out of books, actually.
Yes, I can see.
Pages.
Absolutely stunning. Because you know, these little things people are looking for, you know?
No,
Oh,
it's,
wow.
it's a lot of fun. Then we've got the
What is
what I
that?
call the wind lights. It's
Okay.
actually, let me.
Oh, do you light them up inside
you
with the
put,
tea
you
candle?
put a glass and you put a tea light candle. Let me just get a light.
These are also pretty, eh? With the tiles.
Oh, good.
So you would put a kettle on there. Beautiful. So we're going to light the candle so you can see what it looks like.
Like a spoon.
I should be filming you.
Oh, you don't burn yourself, eh?
Oh, beautiful. In a room.
I've got about 60, 70
Yes.
different motifs, and then also
Oh, they're gorgeous.
coming up for Christmas, or I've
Yeah.
got like big ones in the back, but they are.
It's shiny. My camera's not picking up the. There you are. It's picking up better colors now. That's more what it looks like. It's beautiful. Oh wow.
So it's basically in a glass.
Yeah, it's basically a glass. You buy them simply.
Oh, you put it around.
Like
Oh
this.
wow. Okay. Fantastic.
Decoupage and then you put them
Lovely.
over a glass, and but always put a low candle in.
Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't go too high that it doesn't
Yes.
start damaging the what we call the wind light.
CBD, natural products, and the clothes come from Nepal. So we have it made there and import them.
Yes.
And we have our crystals and our jewelry, our incense and our jewelry. And I have kids
Okay.
that are harassing me.
Well, enjoy your day.
So we've got lamps, we've got hemp sandals and
Oh, okay.
bags.
Yes. Okay.
And then in the front there is all the cannabis, fully extract cannabis.
Okay. Yes. Beautiful
Clothes
shirts.
stunning.
Yeah, and pants.
Yeah, it's very colourful, very.
Gorgeous. Okay, so people must come visit. Perfect. Woodwork. All woodwork here. What do you charge?
So 10 laps is 120 rand, 20 laps is 220, and 30 laps is 300.
Okay,
And
perfect.
then we divide it accordingly how we need to.
Okay. I scored it already. Oh, did he overtake her? Beautiful mosaics. Yeah. Oh wow. Beautiful antiques. What's the antique shop called?
Pam's Antiques.
Pam's Antiques.
Hello, hello. We're out in Muldersdrift area here, and Cindy knows this place very well. So speak up, Cindy, or whoever hold it.
I've never actually visited here. It's my first time. But there's a glass blowing place. There's antiques right in front of us. There's wire works which are beautiful. Candle fuses. The most divine smell in here. Visit here as well. So you get honey, pure honey, fuses. Lovely.
Just trying to take your card.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, push the bell, and have an awesome week. See you next Sunday. Bye.